Rebuilding strength, a journey of resilience. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that many of us encounter in our lives: rebuilding strength. This phrase is not just about physical power, it's about the courage and determination to recover from setbacks. Whether you're learning English or facing challenges in other areas of your life, understanding and applying the concept of rebuilding strength can be incredibly empowering. Let's explore what it truly means to rebuild strength and how this process can impact your life. Rebuilding strength is a phrase that encompasses more than just regaining physical power. It refers to the process of recovering from any form of weakness or setback, be it emotional, mental, or physical. This could involve overcoming a personal loss, bouncing back from a failure, or even recovering from an illness or injury. The key components of rebuilding strength are resilience, determination, and growth. When we talk about rebuilding strength physically, it often involves a structured plan of exercise, nutrition, and rest. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. For someone recovering from an injury, it might mean working with a physiotherapist to regain muscle strength. For athletes, it could involve training to get back into shape after an off-season. The physical journey of rebuilding strength teaches us the importance of listening to our bodies and setting realistic goals. Rebuilding strength also has a significant emotional and mental component. This process involves developing coping strategies, seeking support from friends and family, and sometimes professional help. It's about finding inner strength and resilience to face life's challenges. Activities like meditation, journaling, and mindfulness can be vital tools in this journey. Emotionally and mentally rebuilding strength teaches us about self-compassion, perseverance, and the power of a positive mindset. In everyday life, rebuilding strength can be seen in various scenarios, from a student working hard to improve their grades, to an individual overcoming a personal loss, or someone fighting to overcome an addiction. These stories of resilience and recovery highlight the universal nature of the struggle and the triumph of the human spirit. They inspire us to embrace our vulnerabilities and celebrate our strengths as we navigate our own paths of rebuilding. In conclusion, rebuilding strength is a powerful phrase that speaks to the heart of the human experience. It's about rising from the ashes, facing challenges head-on, and emerging stronger than before. Whether you're learning English or facing your own set of challenges, remember that rebuilding strength is a journey that requires patience, resilience, and a belief in oneself. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace your journey of rebuilding strength with courage and hope. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.